For this video, I've added some reharmonization and some swing to the Christmas classic Hark the Herald Angels Sing. We're going to listen to it, go to the sheet music, and discover all the different chords and voicings that you can use to make your Christmas a little more jazz. Let's listen to the first 8 bars. All right, let's go over some of the changes. I've put in a 1, 6, 2, 5 off the top of the tune, and then a 3, 6, 2, 5 in the next 2 bars. You can see the voicings in chordy as I play them, so I'll try to slow it down a bit and see if you can pick up some of these voicings. All right, 1, 6, 2, 5. The nice big voicing on D minor 7th. And then a C9 over B flat. So it's C9 first, so think of that like B flat over C, and then change the bass note at the last bit of the bar. And then a 3, 6, 2, 5. The D7 chord you can mess around with a bit. Maybe a sharp 11 in there would be nice. And then a C7 flat 9. There's that flat 9, which is the D flat. And then it repeats and changes a bit here. I thought this C sharp diminished 7th, it's like a leading chord with the bass note. It makes a nice sound. And then a line cliche on A minor. The bass changes from A to G sharp to G. And then a 2-5-1 of C. I like the way that I move the F and resolve it to E on the C sus4, which is this chord, and then resolve the F to the E. It's very reminiscent of classical organ music. Okay, let's go back to the recording and listen to the rest of the tune. Stick around because I'm going to post a link to the sheet music that we're using in today's tutorial. Yes, there were a lot of nice changes in there, and of course there's swing. If you're not really that familiar with swing, just listen to it a number of times. It kind of gets under your skin. All right, let's take a look at the changes. This section starts off with the same 1, 6, 2, 5 as before. And then it does a 2-5-1 of B flat right here. So this is 2, 5, 1 of B flat. Now I'm using a tritone substitution on the B7 sharp 11 chord. It's like a B7 chord with, like I say, this sharp 11 in the right hand. So it goes. Going to B flat major 7. And then I like this chord. It's kind of like this C sharp diminished 7th chord we had earlier with this leading tone F sharp. So think of it like G minor over F sharp. Now we often do this instead of just staying on G minor for 2 bars. We're switching to the 5th and then going back to G minor here. Now I like this progression of chords. from here right through to the B major 7. So there's a chord on every beat. And there's that F sus to F at the end of the tune. Now, if you're interested in hearing me swing this tune a little bit more, I'm going to dive into the solo section just for fun. Let's listen to the recording that I did just this morning, and stick around because I'm going to post a link to the sheet music right after this. All right, I hope you got some good chord voicings and chord ideas out of that reharm. I'm going to post a link up here in the corner. You can download the sheet music absolutely free. And while you're here, if you wouldn't mind, a little thumbs up on the video could help us a lot. And if you want to subscribe, just hit the little bell and we'll notify you of all the upcoming videos we're making. And if you're looking for other Christmas standards to swing to, I've got a couple of tutorials. Let me post a link to one right here.